Well, that's a huge result for Corporal Christian as Fernando Whirl lines up alongside Luke Fink in this awesome Toyo Nissan S14. Oh, man, talk about awesome-looking cars. Look at the presentation of Fernando's car.
Yeah, that's the Auto Salon Industry Clothing entry. Have a look at it. Chrome style, wide body S15. Doesn't get any better looking than that. And Fernando showing the way straight away. Oh, look at that. Off the track there from Fink. That's going to mark him down. But Fernando with a nice run. Have a look at that. Really good angle.
Fink is really putting the pressure on, though. Good angle, good entry here as well. He's got good speed right behind him. Gee, this Auto Salon entry is just fantastic. And I think you'll have to lean towards Fernando on this one, only because there's been a couple of straight-ins on Fink's points.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Look, Fink certainly didn't have the best of the first half of the track, but around the second half of the track, he managed to get his act together. Let's see what happens this time around, though, Wade.
Oh.
Watch out for the big close from Fernando early on.
Have a look at him working the brake here. It's getting the tail out in this car. This is Fink, World BMX champ, and the man who stunned everybody with a victory in Tassie last year. And look at him working the wheel. Not quite the best angle there. I think Fernando's playing with him just a bit. No, Fernando, a big straight in there.
That's exactly right. This is going to be very close for the judges now. Fernando not showing as much angle as is customary. He's managing to catch up on him, but the judges won't take a really good view of that. Bilstein shock absorbers working overtime there on Fernando's car.
Awesome looking cars. The Holford Motors entry of Fink, right behind him the Auto Salon Industries entry of Fernando Whirl. Big straight and right then from Fernando. Good angle here. I wouldn't like to call this 12-8 to Whirl.
Yeah, 12-8 to Whirl there, very close. Luke Fink a little bit unlucky, but that's how it goes.
Oh, mate, what can I say? He was on fire all weekend. But like I told you, Chase, mate, we're going to number one.
You're going for number one, well, the car looks $1 million. Is it working well?
Ah, this thing's an absolute beast, mate. It's an absolute weapon. There's nothing compares that I've driven before.